Should it grow? Run the rhythm. Aye. Single mother on the front line, she no run. Work 3 job, we send school this sun at night cool. Struggle never done, but she say me no give up. Me destined to win. She walk with courage, she live with pride. Carry all world stress, but still smile wide. People never know the sleepless night she cry, but she wipe her face quick and look God in the sky. Father God,
Cover me, pick me, please.
she pray without trembling like thieves. Still she pop the back, still she stand tall. Still telling one day you're gonna shock them all. Hey, me say she mother of a giant, strong like lion, bold and defiant. From yard to abroad, her story vibrant. Her life a victory, never silent. Oh, mother of a giant, world war neon, pure goal assignment. Look on the youth, Jamaican star on the rise. Award-winning journalist with knowledge in my eyes. Talk truth, right truth, expose the lies. Worldwide respect him, intelligence full size. Teach at London school, that a major thing. Still keep him Jamaican swag, him dance or swing. Oxford University, bring him last summer. Mama say yes, God, me son turn scholar. Governor General send VIP invitation. King's house welcome you with admiration. Mama stepping royal like queen of the nation. Her journey inspire every generation. Lord, mother of a giant, from struggle to strength, the rise so brilliant. Mama lead the way, she bold and radiant. Her life story powerful, resilient. Yeah, mother of a giant, take up on her, take up on every continent. But wait, she raised more than one success. Our whole family gifted blessings endless. One penny of a master in criminal justice. Smart, a militant, brain so dangerous. Another that I graduate with biology degree. Big scientist mind, future shining free. 3 scholar children, bright and pure. Mama build greatness, that a for sure. Education tall like mountain peak. Family success loud, unique and sleek. People never know when she hungry and tired, but she still